Hello, welcome to EasePDF channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock a secured PDF file with very simple steps. Firstly, go to Unlock PDF in EasePDF. Now you have got a PDF unlocker, you can click the Add Files button in the middle for adding the PDF file you want to remove the password from, or directly drag and drop to upload it. When the PDF file is uploaded, EasePDF will require you to enter the correct password to help it decrypt the file quickly. Just enter the password and tick the option for showing you hold the right to edit this document or unlock it. Then press Unlock PDF, and the password will be removed. After the decryption is done, now you can get an unlocked PDF file. Just press the download button to save it to the local folder on your device directly. You can also save it to your cloud accounts, such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. If you want to share the converted file, you can copy the URL created by EasePDF here. That's all. Don't forget to subscribe for more PDF conversion tips. Make PDF easy and make your life easy. EasePDF.